Namaste friends. You might have watched on my channel various videos on taxation, computer tricks and music. But today what I am going to share with you is the social message which is nowadays of very much importance regarding social distancing, which has been also told to us by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. So you can say it a game, you can say it a puzzle, you can say it a social message, you can say it a time pass activity for those persons who believe 21 days to be the very longer period. So now this is based on the chess. In a chess we know that each party has only one queen. But in our game, in our puzzle, we will assume that total 8 queens are there. So actually 8 queens are not available in pieces in our chess game. So we will assume that these are the pawns and pawns are assumed to be the queens. So these are the 8 queens we have. Now we have to arrange these queens in such a manner on this chessboard that none of the queen will be in a position to attack another. I repeat, we have to arrange these queens, 8 queens, in such a manner on this chessboard that none of the queen will be in a position to attack another. So those who want to try this may pause this video at this point of time, and those who want to know the answer directly may continue to watch this video, because I am telling you the answer of this puzzle now. So starting with this queen, I will arrange this at this point. Thereafter at this place, and third one is at this place. Now starting with this place and coming back, this one, and last one. So now all the queens are arranged in a manner that none of the queen is in a position to attack the another. You may cross tally it, because you must be knowing that queens can attack in a straight way as well in the cross way. So you can cross tally this. So the main message behind this is maintain the social distance, remain at your home and remain safe. Thank you.